all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always get.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. So we'll be doing a review on CurlsCurls Kinky Coily Clippings plus their Kinky Coily Topper. This hair comes in 14-inch. It has extra clip ends and this is a bundle. One bundle is enough for full hair. Inside the bundle has 10 pieces, and also I'm going to be showing you guys the topper. This is a closure with clips on it, and it's really very transparent and blends very well with natural hair. This clippings is for full protective styles with no levers. Now you don't have to bother about bringing out a section of your hair to cover your clippings. You don't have to worry about that. So you don't have to worry about bringing out your hair to cover up the clippings, because the topper just saves you that stress. So I'm going to wash the hair, use conditioner, and then co-wash it, let it to dry for some minutes, and then I'm going to install the hair. This is the longest set. It has 5 clips on it, and the 5 clip is of 2, and then the 4 clips is of 2 as well, and then the 3 clips is of 2. To start with, I'm going to open up the clips so that you guys will see how to open up the clips before you install it on your hair. Now for the installation, this is a protective style, so you don't want to make it too hard on your hair. Now make it to be very, do not pull your hair too much. It shouldn't be too tight on your hair, because in the first place you want to protect your hair and also your edges. You don't want breakage, you guys. You don't want breakage. For installation, what I'm going to do is just open up the clips and then clip it to my hair and then close it back. That is just how to install your clippings. It is really that simple and very easy to do. Now you don't have to have any skill, you don't have to have any experience in making hair before you install clippings. It is so easy to install. So let me give you guys a little or a brief intro about CurlsCurls and what they are into. Now CurlsCurls is a factory store that provides high quality hair with really affordable price. Now the reason why their price is really affordable is that they don't have distributors, so you buy directly from their store. You buy directly from them without a middleman. That's a really fantastic idea. You don't have to go through somebody, you don't have to go through a distributor before you get to them. You just go directly to them. I'm going to continue installing these clippings before I will fix in the toppers, because I want the toppers to be at the middle. It's kind of like a middle part and also an all-back style that I want to go for. So I'm going to fix both sides before I'm going to fix in the topper. Definitely you guys want to keep on watching, and please give this video a huge thumbs up while you are watching and leave your comment in the comment section. At this point, I'm just going to install the topper. Before installing the topper, I'm going to cut out the excess lace net at the top and then install it. Now the hair is not really dried, it's not fully dried. I couldn't wait for it to dry properly before installing it because there was no time for that. So I'm just going to cut out the lace net on top, and then you guys see how transparent this really is, and it blends very well with my natural hair. It really blends and fits very well with my natural hair. I did not have to do any work on it at all. There was no tinting. I didn't have to tint the lace net, and also I didn't have to apply my powder or my foundation on it to make it look more natural. I'm going to show you guys how to install the toppers. Now for the toppers, just like the way you install the other clippings, for the toppers, open up those clips and then lay it on your hair. Just that simple. Now this is one thing I like about clippings. They are very easy to install. No experience at all, and you are good to go. Installing the topper, I'm going to use the remaining clippings and then fill up the back and then make the hair very full. I used the whole 10 pieces of it, none is left. I really like my hair very full.
We say goodbye. they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
To lay down the closure, I'm going to use my got2b glue to just spray on it. I'm going to use my got2b glue and then spray on the part where I want the closure or the top part to be on. So I'm going to just press it down and then use my scarf to tie it and then let it dry for some time.
So I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So after it has finished drying, I'm going to take out the scarf, and this is what it looks like. This really blends very well with my natural hair.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'll leave with
You guys see how beautiful the hair is? Looks really natural and very full. See, this is just one bundle and a topper. So you guys check my description box for details about this hair. Now if you watched to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and please do give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. Also leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.
'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you